It's so much fun causing trouble.
But you know what? We should go have a lunch break.
Sounds good. Let's go steal some from ATI's appetizers and have a picnic. Hey, what do you say? Get the out of our lives. Like, now. Hey, CS8. I have something to tell you.
Shoot.
We've been partners in literal crime for quite some time now, and I've actually started to grow feelings for you.
Are you kidding me? We haven't done stuff together since the end of the Japan trip episode.
No. I'm not fracking around. I really have a crush on you.
Why are you doing this to me? You know I'm not ready for a relationship. Did I not tell you at the beginning of our troublemaking career that I'm singularitized?
But I didn't know.
Oh, forget it, P50. I'm done with you.
Then, why the heck did you join me?
You see, when I first showed up, I was a jerk, just like you. And when I found you, I thought we would make a perfect team. And to be honest, for once, I was just doing it for the free money. But now I realize, making your own money is much better than stealing from others.
Hello? Is CS8 in there? I'd like to speak to her, please.
Oh, lay off. Find yourself another accomplice. Because I'm done with you.
Hey. Well, screw you too.
Who is CS8? CS8?
Yup, it's me.
You and P50 were the ones who killed everyone in Japan as well as plastering the British flag all over the place. Get away from me, you crazy.
No, I'm not going to hurt you. I just came here to say, well, P50 tried to ask me out, so I ditched him. And I'm ending my criminal career right here.
Wow. You actually made a good choice for once. But why were you in the troublemaking business in the first place?
I did it for the free money. But then I realized that making your own money is better than stealing it.
Well, that's nice. Hey, I have an idea. Maybe you and I could come up with a way to keep P50 at bay. With you being an ex-criminal, you should have some good plans, right?
Yes, actually what I was thinking, is that we gather up all the ridiculously powerful sirens and we go up to P50 while he's taking a nap. Then they'll blast all of their siren tones off at once, which will cause P50 to shoot up into outer space. Then he'll fall back down to Earth and land in North Korea, where he'll supposedly never escape.
Wow, that sounds like a plan. Let's get to work.
So, what's the big whoop?
P50 tried to ask me out, so I dumped his and now we're trying to get rid of him. At least for a while anyways. So I was thinking that you should sound all of your siren sounds at the same time. The immense pressure of all your sounds combined should fire P50 into space, where he'll eventually land in North Korea.
Ha! He'll never get out either. Great idea. Where am I? Huh? Oh, no. Not here. Fuck. That'll teach him.
쓰레기. 그는 어디로 갔습니까? 모르겠어요. 그는 그냥 사라졌다. 나는 그가 발견되기를 원한다. 그리고 나는 그가 체포되기를 원합니다.
Those jerks screwed me. I must get my revenge. One way or another. Fuck. I know. Several hours of crawling through literal crap to get here, but this revenge will be heck worth it in the end. More ha 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 ha. Fuck. See ya later, fools. Ha 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 ha. What the heck is going on? Oh my god. It's a nuclear missile. North Korea just launched a ballistic missile at us. Oh crap. You're all see you in hell. Goodness. Jeez, maybe sending P-50 to North Korea wasn't such a good idea after all. You did this? Well, me and a few friends. And everyone died. The end. Whoa. That was intense.